Hi, it's me. I'm going to show you how to make a gift card holder in 2 different ways. This gift card holder is created using the We Are Memory Keepers punch board. It tells you the size of paper you need and where to mark your first score line. So once you mark that first score line, you line up that score line with that thing sticking out, then you punch and then you score all the way around the card. So it's pretty easy and very quick. So there it is. You can use the tool at the top to round off the edges, but this is part of a broader card, so I decided to use the size that I used throughout the entire card. So in order to make this thing close, you could either add some adhesive or you can draw 2 dots on the side of the point and then cut a little slit, and that way it will tuck in quite nicely without any glue. Cool, right? So this is the first card and this is the second card. So this one, it doesn't have anything on the side. So if you put a gift card in there, it will slide out. So you want to be sure to tape it down. It just offers an alternative way to hide the gift card if you're including it inside of a bigger card. So this is it. You draw out the little point and then you mark out where you're going to like tuck in that little point thingy. And then there's your closure. So for this video, I'm going to finish off this card by putting something on the inside right there. And then I'm just going to emboss that top flap. Now it's ready to be glued down into our card, scrapbook, or wherever you want to put it.